socket for the back, bro. Let me go grab some for that. I didn't know it had a socket on the back.
What else did you bring? Oh, the things.
13.
Huh? This is so clean. It's funny. It's clean. Oh, you're right. It's so clean. It's dirty as hell, though. It's basically something. Like, I'll be wiping the bike down and like cleaning it, but the boat covers, that shit, I don't know. Like, you need special stuff.
Allen key. 6.
Hey, what?
Alright, so I got a little kickstand. This. Exact.
The lock neck. Use your hand first.
I think it was a 13. Yeah, just make sure that side's tight.
Oh shit.
Should be good there.
All that raw spring. Yeah, I'm about to be running the camera. Oh shit. Alright, so it need to be like this way.
Let's see if we can get one on there real quick.
I'm gonna take this off first. Yeah. So this how y'all gotta do this. You gotta pull down, make sure you have some help because this shit hella hard. Put one on first and then the other one. Pull down and then like wrap it around. See this washer piece right here. Flip it down like that. Put this part or this end point inside, and then you want to hold it with your other hand, like if.
Yeah, that's a good chance for tomorrow. Probably. You want to call me?
They start so young.
Around 12. They grow up so fast.
I remember when I was his age.
I just got a meeting. Okay. Let me confirm at 7538 South Leader.
That shit's a bitch.
Now I see what she's saying. You gotta push this down.
Yeah.
And basically now you put the plywood where you want us to put the dumpster. That'll help us mark.
I need something to push this down.
Okay, thank you for the call.
Put this all the way through.
Thank you.
Lucky you could just use your hand. You just gotta know what you're doing.
Oh shit. Look at you.
I don't even know if that's
Professional,
going
bro.
right.
Professional. Look at that.
That's gonna be good.
Look at that. Look at that. Ooh.
Now y'all-
Killer Kai.
Chill.
Snapping. I can't even. It's like I can't say nothing. This dude is snapping.
Now y'all take this, the washer, and the retaining clip. Put the washer on first. Retaining clip. Snap. Like that. BAPE up. first. I was thinking about games.
The white's hard, bro. Parts, but the white and the boys are clean. You get dirty though, they're clean.
You're clean as fuck. And if it asks for formatting, just know it means erase everything.
There's nothing important on here. Unless it's 2 terabytes.
Games and shit, man.
Yeah. And shit I can't reuse though.
You look, you want to leave the key.
I know, exactly.
I know that feeling. I go upstairs, that walk.
Would you mind taking it home and checking it out? Just to be sure that
No, I got the fucking SSD. Trying to save it?
You just trying to.
Of me. Who? I found out of me. Fox.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye.